Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and that was a misclick, the settings, and right here we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Now let's tap on see all 45 apps, of course 45 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see here, our device will inform us what it will actually do, what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled apps and default applications for actions and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.